designed by a consortium of consultants. Jewel Mall features a glass and steel facade that was added as part of Singapore Changi Airport. The complex opened 2019 and have 5 levels above ground and 5 basement levels, covering a total floor area of 134,000 square meters. Jewel Mall houses one of the largest indoor collections of plants in Singapore, with about 22,000 square meters of space dedicated to landscaping. The centerpiece of Jewel Mall is a 40-meter high rain vortex, advertised as the world's tallest indoor waterfall, located at the center of the complex. The Jewel Mall provides a wide range of world-class retail choices, which appeals to shopaholics from around the world, making Jewel one-of-a-kind lifestyle destination for both local residents and tourists during stopovers.
Dạ,